Well, this is me urban camping in Phoenix, Arizona. My bike's broke down, and I'm not fixing to spend the money on a hotel room. I'd rather save it and fix my bike and have money to go on, get to my next destination. It's about time for me to fly the coop. Getting bored with it here. I love the place. I want to be here every winter, but the summers, not so much. But I'm just walking around, urban camping, getting ready to go over to my friend Noe's house. Yeah, Noe's house. So I'll keep you informed if something cool happens.